Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgana from Cooking Clean and Everything Between, and in this channel I show you how to cook easy and delicious meals and everything in between, from cleaning, easy DIYs to funny dog videos. If you like this mix, please hit that subscribe button because this channel is for you. In today's video, we'll be making a fantastic beef stew. Let's check the ingredient list. Stew meat, potatoes, celery, carrots, onions, garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. I will be using my pressure cooker for this recipe, but you can use any pan. It's just going to take you longer than what is going to take me. So this recipe took me about a half an hour. If you're using a regular pan, it will probably take you about an hour to make this. So I add the beef to the pan and I brown this beef for about 20 minutes. And you can see that it's nice and brown. And right about now, I add my onions, my garlic, mix all together and let it fry for a little bit. If you made this far, go ahead, click on the like button. It's free, it doesn't hurt, guys. Now add some salt and pepper to taste. Add your celery, mix all together. Your carrots, a couple dabs of Worcestershire sauce, a can of tomato sauce, 2 cans of the same tomato, can of water, mix all together, peas, the potatoes, mix, and now I'll set my pressure cooker on a vegetable setting for 10 minutes. Guys, I didn't mention the tomato sauce and the Worcestershire sauce in the ingredients, but I will list the ingredients on the description for you guys. After 10 minutes on the pressure, this is what it's supposed to look like, and it looks and it smells absolutely fantastic in my kitchen right now. You have to try this recipe. I served my beef stew with rice and a fried egg, some French fries, and this was a phenomenal meal. If you're still watching, please like this video, comment, and share. As always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. I see you on the next recipe. Ciao!